Hello my crafty friends, it's Jelly Bean, and I finally got all the lace and trim and everything packaged up to put in a envelope to ship off to our winner for the week 4 summer craft hop giveaway. And I've got several in each bag because there was so much of it, and I kind of pressed the air out. See, look at all those pretty laces, y'all. Somebody's going to win all of it. I can't wait to see who. Anyway, let's go ahead and draw the name and see who's going to win. Real quick, I want to let y'all know that everyone who commented underneath the video titled the Summer Craft Hop Giveaway Week 4 was entered into this drawing. And as I told y'all, anyone who sent someone over that said so-and-so sent me got an extra entry. Well, unfortunately, I only had one person who did that, so Tina's Crafty Life has 2 entries, everybody else has 1. Now I got this little box here, and I'm gonna kind of go up and let y'all see everybody's name is here. Go real slow so everybody can see their name. I want everyone to know that it is fair. I try to do things as fair as possible, and I'm just going to, this is a rubber mat on this tray. It's like one of the Red Lobster trays, so it kind of sticks to it. But anyway, I'm just gonna start folding while I talk to y'all. I want to point out a few things. Some pretty incredible things are happening here in our craft YouTube community, y'all, and I just want to kind of point out a few to y'all. I'm sorry. Excuse my sniffles. But there's several giveaways going on right now. Alicia, who is Wagman510, is having a giveaway for a flat mail challenge, and her and Made New to Create, who is Lisa, have teamed up together to have a giveaway for a die cut machine and some dies. And I'll link their channels below and try to put the links to the videos telling about the giveaways. And also there's a new lady to our community that I really think y'all would enjoy, so I'm going to put a link to her channel down below, and her channel is My Scrapbook Loft, and she is making some of the most beautiful boxes you have ever seen. And she's got a tutorial that she just finished for a box that folds out on the sides and has a little compartment on both sides, and then has a big compartment underneath. It is so awesome. Actually, she sent one to Sabrina K Country Crafter, I think. Oops, I'm sorry if I said that wrong. My mind goes blank when I get on here, y'all, and I don't understand it, but it does. But anyway, y'all go check out My Scrapbook Loft and give her some crafty love from our craft community. She's new, she doesn't have that many subscribers, but she's a very talented crafter, and she's fixing to do a tutorial on a Memdex box, and the Memdex box that she is doing is awesome. I don't sing, but I can say awesome real pretty. But her Memorydex box has got the dowels in the bottom, and the lid lifts up and has a magnet in it, and I can't wait for her to do that tutorial. I want to do that, and then I'm going to want y'all to send me some Memorydex cards. And let's see, there's all kinds of giveaways going on right now. Crafty Lady Lisa has a 5,000 subby giveaway going on right now, and that's just a Memorydex card. And let's see, I believe the Pink Unicorn Crafter has a giveaway going on. There's a lot of giveaways going on right now, so everybody has a chance to win something. I'm going to be doing a Pay It Forward giveaway here pretty soon. I've got to get up with my lady that I'm talking to about it and figure out. I've never done one of those, and all of them that I see on YouTube aren't, I don't think, what she's talking about. But anyway, I'm going to have another giveaway here pretty soon. So if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you'll get the notification when I load videos. And you know, sometimes I've seen where somebody did a hidden giveaway, and I want to do that too. So I might be just crafting along one day and say, oh, I think I'll have a giveaway. So you never know. You never know. I could say it right in the middle of the video. Oh, these stick to this thing so bad. I should have used something else, y'all. I was very surprised at the response that we had to this one here. I had 42 comments. Well, there were more comments, but it counts the number of times I leave replies, and I try to reply to most of the comments. I'm sorry if I didn't get to you. I'm still working on them. But between doing this and the tutorial for the embellishment box, which I finally got uploaded, I had such a hard time. I tried sticking it all together and having one video, and it was too long, and it wouldn't let me put it. When I make my videos, I put them into a app that I have called Video Show, and then once you get done putting everything together and stuff, then you have to like format it for YouTube, and it would not format. It kept saying I didn't have enough of the memory in my phone to do that, and I deleted most all of my apps, pictures, everything, and guess what? Still not enough. So I had to end up cutting it up into 2 parts and redoing half of it. So okay, everybody's name is in here. Who's gonna win? Who do you think will win? Should I call my grandson to come pull a name? Let me see if I can get him. Hang on a minute. Yay, he wants to pull the name. Okay, I got everybody's name in here and I shook it up.
No, let me shake it more.
You gotta shake it more? Okay, you shake it more. Oh my goodness. He's doing an Indian dance over here, y'all. Okay, that's good. It's got a hole in the top. You might make one fall out. Okay, close your eyes and stick your hand in here, right here, and pull one. Just one.
Is this one?
Da 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 da. Yep. Who's our winner?
Tina's Crafty Life.
Tina's Crafty Life. She wins all this beautiful lace.
Now,
congratulations, Tina.
Now to show y'all that it's all different.
Oh, well, I already sat here and folded them up in front of them.
See ya.
Thank you. All right, y'all. Tina, congratulations. You're the winner, and I will get that out to you by the end of this week. And thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a crafty day, and we'll see you real soon. Bye for now.